Hello students, let us read the question. The figure here shows a Gaussian cube of the face area A immersed in a uniform electric field E that is a positive direction of Z axis. In terms of E and A, what is the flux through the front face? Which is in XY plane. So the key concept involved here is the Gauss law, which is equal to phi equal to electric field dot area vector. This is the flux. Before that, let us understand the area vector. In case of cube, this is a cube. Now this is y axis, this is x direction, and this is z direction. Let us understand how to write the area vector. If we need to write the area vector of this face, it will be in outward direction. So the dA can be written as A if A is the area of face, area of each face A, as it is in positive y direction, so it can be written as AJ cap. Similarly, if we need to write the area vector of this face, it will be in outward direction, so the dA2 can be written as A and it will be in positive I direction, so it is AI cap. Similarly, if we need to write the area vector of this face, it will be in outward direction, so dA3 can be written as this area. They are the area vector. It can be written as A and it is in negative J direction, so it becomes minus AJ. Similarly, all other faces area vector can also be written. Now let us see here. Here we need to find the flux through the front face. This is the front face. So we can write the area vector of the front face. It will come out in this direction. So it can be written as A and it is positive in positive Z direction. So area vector can be written as A K cap. In the question itself, we have been given the electric field vector. E vector is given as E K cap. Now we need to find out the flux through the front face. So flux through the front face can be written as E dot dA, area vector of the front face, which is equal to electric field vector is given as E K cap dot dA is given as A K cap. From here, we find out that the flux through the front face equal to EA. From here, we can write our final answer. Flux through front face, that is phi F is equal to EA. Thank you so much.